All right. So I thought this would be entertaining or maybe even helpful for somebody that maybe they get these messages. Maybe they wonder, is this true? Could it be true? Maybe if you have an IRS problem, maybe this would be helpful for you. And if nothing else, we'll get a big chuckle out of it. So let's listen to some of these messages that I've saved over time.
Reaching out with an update on your current tax situation.
No
With
update.
the new federal relief programs in place,
Nope.
you may be eligible for significant
Nothing
reduction
new.
or even forgiveness of your tax debt.
Exciting.
Press 1 now to speak with a tax resolution specialist,
AKA salesperson.
These programs apply to certain cases involving IRS debt,
Truth.
lien, or active penalty.
Very true.
And they were designed to help hardworking families and business owners like you.
Nothing's changed.
One now to take the next step, or call 855-535-2918.
To be ripped off
Opt out, press 9.
or to opt out.
Find out what
It
relief
doesn't go to good. But let's listen to the next one because they kind of all have the same script, which I find interesting.
Changes to federal relief.
No changes.
Eligible for a balance reduction or even full tax debt.
These are cold calls,
Press 1 now to speak with a tax resolution.
AKA salesperson.
These programs apply to certain cases involving IRS debt, tax,
True.
or active
Same
penalties.
script.
And they were designed to help hardworking families and business owners like you. Again, press 1 now to take the next step or call 855-535-2920. To opt out, press 9.
9.
First step toward resolving your tax situation.
Same script. It's crazy. And they're probably all the same people.
Hi, this is Michael from the National Tax Review Office,
Michael,
reaching out with an update on your current tax situation.
I have no tax.
With the general
Thank
relief
you.
programs in place,
No
you may be
new
eligible for
programs.
significant reductions or even forgiveness of your tax debt.
Same script.
Press 1 now to speak with a tax resolution specialist and start
AKA
your free eligibility review.
person.
These programs apply to certain cases involving IRS debt,
True.
tax liens, or active penalties. And they were designed to help hardworking families and business owners like you.
Nothing new.
Again, press 1 now to take the next step or call 833-704-3571.
To be ripped off.
Opt out, press 9. Let's find out what relief you might qualify for.
Opt out. Well, I've opted out and it never works. Let's see what the next one says because they're all kind of the same thing.
Hello, this is Jason from the Tax Resolution Unit.
Jason,
Our
how
records
kind.
indicate you may have unresolved tax issues, back taxes, or
They
unfiled
lie.
returns. After reviewing your file, you've been pre-qualified for the IRS
File.
Start program.
There's
Free to
nothing to
reduce or
review.
even eliminate tax debt. Press 1 now to speak with your assigned tax officer.
Goodness.
While the
That's
news
really
talks about
good.
recession and rising costs, the new administration is offering real relief for
Nothing has
families and
changed.
business owners.
Absolutely nothing
You were
has
eligible
changed.
for substantial savings, possibly more than you
They don't
expect.
even know. Have no idea.
One now called 855-535-2928.
To be
To
ripped
opt
off.
out, press 9 or call back and press 9.
And 9 to opt out again. So I think you're getting the gist. There's nothing new. Not this administration, not the previous administration. In fact, there hasn't been anything new since 2012, I believe, is when the actual Fresh Start initiative came out or was redone. Nothing new. Nothing. They don't have your file. They don't have some magic code. There isn't a specialist waiting for you to call them. It's a salesperson. They just want your money. If you want to be ripped off, you work with one of these. And here's the deal. Maybe you don't owe the IRS, but this is kind of alarming to think maybe somebody has your file. How did they get your information? What if you do owe the IRS? That's also alarming because you don't know that they don't have your file. You may not know that nothing has changed. Your gut is tight and you know that you owe the IRS and you're thinking, oh my gosh, maybe these changes will help me. I'm going to tell you right now, nothing has changed. There are a lot of good representatives out there that can help you. I'm one of them. But you don't even need a representative. Did you know that a lot of this you can do on your own? But here's what you have to do. You have to put some skin in the game. You have to take some time. Maybe you need some guidance. Maybe you need to meet with a professional, kind of give you a little bit of direction. And maybe you just have plenty of money you can throw at this and get a representative to deal with it. That's fine. But if you don't have the money, or if you really want to get in there and take care of this on your own and you don't want to be ripped off by a representative as well, then you need to roll your sleeves up and you need to get in there and figure this out. There are resources out there. In fact, I've put something together that I don't have time to help everybody. In fact, to be honest, I'm really tired of dealing with the IRS. It's not getting any easier. I'm not getting any younger. And dealing with them is very, very frustrating. But that's frustrating for me because I'm trying to work for my clients and do it in the most efficient way, trying to save them money. I'm trying to make sure that I'm not calling at the wrong time of day, that I'm on hold for 5 hours, trying to make sure that I'm doing everything I can to actually help them and be on their side. It's really hard to do with the current status. But if you are representing yourself, you can do this. All right, that's it. I hope that was helpful. Take care and bye for now.